guys, Lan here on Grady's Mom. I have a quick Price Chopper haul. I went there for some very specific things. This haul was 50 bucks. So everything here, Price Chopper. Right when you walk in our Price Chopper, I'm assuming they're all like that, they always have like the deals of the week, so I always get sucked in. I actually wanted to get this Entenmann's Raspberry Danish Twist. My boss had brought like a few of these into the office this week for everybody, and it was so good. So of course they were buy one get one free, so I got this one, which I was gonna get anyways, and then all the Entenmann's were buy one get one, so I got these for my husband, although I'll probably have one. My husband really likes these, so it was nice to get that for free. My Walmart, I don't know why, has stopped carrying the lower sugar chocolate chip Quaker granola bars. I don't know why. Maybe I thought they were just out of stock, but I think they stopped carrying them. And my son loves these, but he will not eat the regular ones, so he only likes the less sugar ones. So Price Chopper is the only place I can get them now. Probably I could get them in Hannaford too, but they were 2 for $4 or 2 for $5, so I got 2 boxes. I got a couple plain bagels from the bakery because my son actually asked me last night for a bagel and I didn't have any, so I grabbed a couple plain bagels. I got the Danimals smoothies. They are cheaper at Walmart, but again, I was at Price Chopper, so I just got a little 6-pack. Also, these were on sale for $4.79, I believe, which I think is cheaper than Walmart on sale. They're normally like $5.99 at Price Chopper, so I got a 4-pack of the strawberry banana. Chips were buy one get one, so I got Tostitos Scoops party size and Lay's Classic, which are 2 of our faves. We don't need these yet. I still have the bag from last week, but it's nice to have a backup, and it was buy one get one free. I made beef stew earlier in the week, and I used all my carrots and celery and potatoes, so I'm just replenishing carrots, celery, potatoes, because we go through all 3 of these on a regular basis. I got a couple yogurts for my husband, the Chobani strawberry cheesecake and the Boston cream pie, just to put in his lunches next week. I'm filming this on a Friday if you're curious about stuff like that, since I film my grocery hauls a week before you guys see them. I'm missing a couple of these. Let me grab those. So the Polar products, the seltzers and the like other drinks were on sale 10 for 10. And then there was a coupon, like a hang tag on one of these, buy 3 get 1 free. So I ended up getting 4 for like, I don't know, 4 for $3. So I am obsessed with this. You guys know, if you've been watching my grocery hauls for a while, I buy this every once in a while, and I'm honestly going to start getting it more because I am trying to get off like Diet Coke and, you know, all the diet sodas. And I know this is still a diet soda, but I tried to go the seltzer route and the sparkling water route. I just don't enjoy them. I still have a bunch of Spindrifts left. I'm gonna finish them. I don't hate them. It's just that I don't enjoy them. So I'm gonna try to get on to drinking, obviously, a lot of water and more of these. I do drink a lot of water at work, but I get burnt out on it. So I really like the Diet Half and Half, which is grapefruit and lemon. So I got 3 of those, and I also got this pink grapefruit diet one as well. I don't think I've ever tried this, so I'm gonna give that a go. I got a gallon of water for my coffee. I got my sugar-free Italian sweet cream coffee mate for my coffee. I just really like it a lot. It's very just simple. And then my husband likes the Price Chopper brand soda, and it's a lot cheaper than the name brand, so it's like half the cost. So I got the Price Chopper ginger ale and the Price Chopper lemon lime, which is comparable to like Sierra Mist, and it's literally half the price. So that's everything I grabbed at Price Chopper. I also wanted to mention, because I know a lot of my viewers have cats, I used to buy the Delectables all the time at Walmart, and if you've been watching for a while, you've probably maybe noticed I haven't bought it in a long time, like I don't know, maybe 3 months at this point. I switched my cat over to this. You can only get it at Petco. You could probably get it on Amazon, but it's the Wellness brand grain-free shreds variety pack. There are 8 packs in here, but they're big packets, so 1 packet can last me about a day and a half. So they go a little bit further. They're more cost effective, and the number one thing I like about these, my cat does not throw up. The Delectables would make her throw up, and I didn't realize it for a while that was the culprit. So I switched to this, and she has not thrown up, knock on wood. So it had to be the delectables. It can't be a coincidence, because ever since I've switched her to this about three and a half months ago, she has not thrown up once, knock on wood. So that's everything I grabbed just now while I was out. There's most likely going to be another haul after this, so just keep on watching. Hey guys, this is my second and final haul, grocery haul for the week. Everything here is from Walmart, $72. And I'm going to start on this side. So I got a craft spiral. I like to have one, at least one of these at all times, because I like mac and cheese, and Grady likes mac and cheese. We all do. It's just a simple quick lunch or dinner. I used up the last box of my tricolor rotini. I made Matt some tuna pasta salad, so I like to always replace it because I like to always have this particular kind of pasta for any kind of pasta salad that I want to whip up quickly. I got 2 bags of these Off the Eaten Path veggie puffs. I love these. I've tried several of the snacks by this brand, and these so far are my favorite. They're like a spicy, veggie, slightly cheesy flavor. They're just really good, and they are made with real veggies. So I have one for home and one to bring to work. I got breakfast sandwiches for my husband. These are the Great Value sausage, egg, and cheese croissants. I got the pink cranberry passion fruit juice. I got one of these a couple weeks ago, and it's really good. I like to have a small little glass, and sometimes I'll throw like a splash of seltzer, like Spindrift, in with this to make it a little bit sweeter. I got some whole milk for, you know, if I need it for like recipes or like mac and cheese. And my husband likes a bowl of cereal every once in a while. We just ran out of mayo, so I replaced the mayo. Just get the Hellmann's brand. I needed some more sharp cheddar, so I just got the Kraft brand. We needed wraps, so I got the Mission jalapeno cheddar wraps. I've been getting these for years. They're really good. We like the jalapeno cheddar the best. I got a new bag of the Great Value potato wedges, $1.60, 2-pound bag. Cannot beat them. Super easy side, and they're really, really crispy when you bake them in the oven. I got some Ritz Crisp and Thins. These are the 50% less fat, oven-baked bacon flavor. They're like a cracker chip. They're very, very light. They're not greasy. They're just really good. They kind of satisfy like that chip craving when you have one. I got the family size reduced fat original Cheez-Its. I normally get the extra toasty, but they were completely sold out because I feel like everybody's catching on to those. And these are my second favorite Cheez-It. I actually like the reduced fat better than the regular fat one, if that makes sense. I just think they're crispier. I got 4 yogurts for my son. He will not eat any kind of yogurt that has chunks of fruit in it. So it makes my options very limited. He also does not like Greek yogurt, so it also cuts that out of the equation. So I get the Yoplait Smooth. I'm sure they have other flavors of this, but this is the only one my Walmart has in stock pretty much all the time. It's the Blueberry Smooth. And then I know there are other flavors of the Starburst yogurt, but my Walmart is always sold out of the pink one, the red one. I don't think he would like the yellow, but he does like the orange. It kind of tastes, it literally tastes like an orange Starburst, but there are no chunks. So I got 2 blueberry, 2 orange. I got the king-sized English muffins because I actually love to toast these and put peanut butter and jelly on them. And since they're king-size, they're larger, so it's like a pretty satisfying lunch along with like maybe some fruit or nuts or something. So I grabbed these. I absolutely love these. I grew up eating this brand of cookie whenever my mom would buy store-bought cookies. Normally she baked them, but every once in a while she would buy this brand, and I absolutely love these almond ones. I like the texture of them. I like the flavor of them. I really love almond. So I've never seen them at my Walmart before. I've seen this brand, but not this cookie. So I snapped those right up because they are delicious. I got some Cheez-It convenient snack packs to throw in my husband's lunch. Grady sometimes will take one to school, and I like to grab them every once in a while and just throw it in my purse. So kind of some junk food going on in this little section. I also like these convenience packs for portion control. So obviously they're not healthy, but I'm totally not I'm not like an extremely healthy eater, but I do like to try to do portion control, especially with sweets, because I will just legit eat a whole sleeve of Oreos and not even realize it until they're gone. So I got the Oreo Mini, the Chips Ahoy Mini, the Nutter Butter Mini, and the Ritz Bits cheese. Again, small little packs for portion control. So you take one and that's it. When it's gone, it's gone. So I got a big 20 box of that. some Powerade in the fruit punch flavor for my husband. Now that we're into March, it's still cold, it's still snowy. We actually get snow here through April, but the temperatures are starting to be a little bit more mild. So I like to get pretty much March all the way through the end of the fall. I like to get him like Gatorade and Powerade and stuff like that to take to work, since he does manual labor and works outside most of the year. I got these Danimal smoothies. This is the mixed berry strawberry. Grady likes one of these every morning. They're very small, so I don't mind. And he always asks me for one of these every single morning. I got raspberries for Grady. He goes through 1 or 2 of these every week. I got strawberries. Berry prices are starting to come down because it's getting a little warmer. So I think these were up to like $3.99 at one point, even at Walmart, but they were like $1.50 today, which was awesome. So I got strawberries. I got bottled water. We mainly use our water dispenser on our refrigerator. We have like a water filter thing, but I do like to have at least some bottled water for when guests come over or just to grab and go. We do try to use like tumbler cups and recycled, you know, the recyclable, reusable cups, but I do like to have these every once in a while for convenience. However, we do recycle all of our cans, all of our plastic. We actually have big bins in our garage, and we bring all of our cans and bottles, anything that has a deposit, to like a beverage center and cash those in, so they're not just going in the trash. Matt wanted these Reese granola bar puff things. It's like a cereal granola bar thing, Reese flavor, so he specifically asked for those. He doesn't ask for much, so I grabbed them. I got cauliflower because I'm obsessed with cauliflower. It's one of my favorite veggies to eat of all time. I got iceberg for sandwiches. I like iceberg. I know it's not very nutritious, but I like the crunch of it on sandwiches. Bananas for my smoothies, and obviously snacking. I usually use half a banana per smoothie. I usually get, I don't know, 4 to 6 per week, and we can use them for snacks or smoothies. I think that is everything. I don't think I missed anything, and now I'm going to share my meal plan for the week. Alright, so my meal plan for next week, one night I'm going to do tacos or taco salads. I'm kind of craving taco salads, so I'm probably going to do that. And then another night we're going to do naan pizzas. I just get the garlic naan flatbread from Walmart, and then I bake it in the oven. I top it with different toppings, and I bake it right in the oven. In the warmer months, we grill them on the grill. They're really tasty that way and super easy and quick. Another night I'm going to do sweet and spicy Korean beef over rice, probably just some jasmine or basmati rice and some kind of veggie. I do have a cooking video on this recipe. It's really easy, so I'll link that down below. I'm going to do some creamy pork chops in the crock pot. I've got some bone-in pork chops to use up, and that'll be perfect to throw in the crock pot on my lunch break, and it'll cook until I get home, and then I'll just do them over some mashed potatoes. I've got some ground turkey to use up, so I'm just going to make some turkey burgers, oven fries, and then we'll probably have some kind of little cold salad on the side. I'm going to do quesadillas one night because I have all the ingredients to make them. I'm going to do some Spanish rice. I think I have one of the Seeds of Change Spanish rice pouches I can do. They're just a really quick, easy, like heat up, steam in the microwave rice. And then I just like to put out like chips and salsa or chips and guac if I have it with quesadillas. And then of course I have my freebie night as always, which we can either have leftovers. Sometimes we order takeout. Sometimes we go to my parents' house. It's just kind of a night where I can sort of freestyle it. So I hope you enjoyed this week's grocery hauls and meal plan. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you Monday with a new video.